This noon, we are staying on top of breaking news. After months of questions, we now have an answer in the disqualification controversy surrounding Fulton County DA Fani Willis. In a 23-page ruling, Judge Scott McAfee said Willis can remain on the election interference case against former President Donald Trump and his co-defendants, but only if Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade steps down. Investigative reporter Zach Merchant has been following this case since it first started a couple of months ago. And now joining us, Zach, what's your key takeaway here?
The big takeaway is that District Attorney Fani Willis has a big choice to make. Judge McAfee told her in his order this morning that if Wade stays, her whole office, including Nathan Wade, will be removed from the case. If Wade steps aside, Willis will be allowed to continue to prosecute the case along with the other line prosecutors in her office. The pair, who shared a romantic relationship, were accused by defense attorneys of improperly financially benefiting from the case, creating a conflict of interest that damaged their ability to impartially prosecute it. But Judge McAfee ruled against that argument, finding that any financial gain flowing from the DA's office to Nathan Wade and his role as hired special prosecutor was, quote, not a factor on the part of the district attorney to indict and prosecute this case. However, the judge also wrote that the relationship, the contract, and testimony provided at earlier hearings, quote, established that the district attorney's prosecution is encumbered by an appearance of impropriety. Robert James, a former DeKalb County district attorney, said Judge McAfee's decision highlights those concerns.
The judge saying, look, I don't think that there's any evidence that anything really bad went on here, inappropriate maybe, but not bad in the legal sense, but it doesn't look right, and you can cure it by getting him off the case and move forward.
So now DA Willis needs to decide who goes, Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade or her entire office. The judge did not set a deadline for that decision, so we will be keeping a close eye on what DA Willis says. So far, her office has not commented on the ruling.
And we are hearing from former President Donald Trump's attorney on this decision. Steve Sadow issued a statement earlier saying, quote, while respecting the court's decision, we believe that the court did not afford appropriate significance to the prosecutorial misconduct of Willis and Wade. We will use all legal options available as we continue to fight to end this case, which should never have been brought in the first place, end quote. We are closely following this story. If you'd like to read the judge's full ruling in this hearing, you can do so right now. All you have to do, text the word ruling to the number on your screen. That's 404-885-7600, and we'll send a link straight to your phone. And if you missed our analysis after the ruling first came down this morning, you can rewatch that right now on our free 11 Alive Plus streaming app, available on all your streaming devices. Just search 11 Alive in your app store.